Bermuda is actually the very tip of a massive, extinct underwater volcano known as the Bermuda Pedestal. Millions of years ago, a geologic hotspot punched a hole through the Earth's crust,
Wait,
spewing
there's
lava
an underwater volcano underneath Bermuda?
and building a colossal mountain that rose 15,000 feet from the sea floor. Over time, the volcano went dormant and began to sink back down. But as it sank, something remarkable happened. Microscopic maritime organisms began building coral reefs around the rim of the sinking caldera.